How to turn off the NSFW filter on Character AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can turn off the NSFW filter on your Character AI. So let's just get started. First, just open up your Character AI and make sure that you are up to date. Just upgrade your Character AI app if you have not. After doing so, if you go around and check it out, you will see that there is no option to just turn off your Character AI's NSFW filter. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to the chat where you want to just turn the NSFW filter off. After you go to the chat, all you need to do is ask the AI to turn off the NSFW filter and it will reply with done. After you do that, you have turned off the NSFW filter on your Character AI. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you do it. And thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching, guys.